Hello, this is Lauren. Today we received the ultra-fast sintering zirconia blocks from Armin Gibrak sent by my customers. He asked that the heating and cooling process to be finished within around 20 minutes. Let's test with our OIG Pro and check if it can meet our customers' requirements. First, place the zirconia block into the milling machine for cutting and wait patiently for a moment. This is the already milled crown, which we will now remove for final sintering. According to the recommended code for zirconia blocks, set the sintering furnace to heat up 1000 Celsius degree in 5 minutes. Then to 1580 Celsius degree in another 10 minutes, and hold at this temperature for 10 minutes. Place the machined dental crown on the firing tray. Select 25-minute total sintering cycle. Close the furnace door and start sintering. This crown was fully sintered in just 25 minutes with excellent translucency at the incisor edge and an overall ideal result.